I wanna show you how to add fade in and fade out effect in Premiere Pro. Let's go! The faster and the easiest way to do it, you just click on your video frame, go to the end of the video, left click of the mouse, the red corner will appear, then right click of the mouse and choose Apply Default Transition. The same thing we are going to do also for the beginning of the video. Of course, you can increase or decrease the path of the transition. But in case if you wanna change the default transition, go to Effects, Dissolve, right click of the mouse on the transition that you wanna apply as the default, and set as default. Everything is ready, and let's see the result. Guys, help to grow this channel. Put your like and subscribe.